Oh, there you are. Hi, I'm Anne from madamso.com. In this video I'll show you 4 of our newest products, and 3 of them might be new to you. You didn't know that they existed, so it's maybe interesting to check them out. The first one is the magic wand. It's Sewer's magic wand from Madame So, and this is it. And I'll show you in this video what you can use this little tool for. Then there's the seam guide ruler. The seam guide ruler comes with a free magnetic seam guide, and you have to use those 2 together under your sewing machine, and the little holes are for your sewing machine needle. I'll show you how to use these. Then there's a seam ripper, but it's a special one because it has a little LED light. It's perfect for those dark evenings if you need some extra lighting. And the last tool, you might know, these are pinking shears. But I'm convinced that there's a revival of the pinking shears coming up. If you want to know more about these tools, I suggest you check out this video, or you'll go to the blog post where I've written all the details, and there are links to the products on madamso.com. Let's have a look at the first tool, the magic wand. The seam guide ruler. Shears. The lighted seam ripper. So if you want to know more about these tools, go to madamsew.com to our blog page, where there's the links to the tutorials and the manuals and the product pages. And we also love to hear from you when you have tips for new products, or when you have a problem when you're sewing and you need something, a new tool to solve that problem. We are happy to help you out. Bye!